Shopify is a subscription-based software that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Shopify store owners can also sell in physical locations using Shopify POS, our point-of-sale app and accompanying hardware. If you're a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock get synced so you can manage your stores from one account, on any device. But this is only scratching the surface. To properly answer the question what is Shopify? It's helpful to first understand that Shopify is not a singular product, it's not just a store builder or a tool to sell your products. Shopify is a commerce platform that offers a way to quickly launch your dream business and start selling to your customers, wherever they are. And if you want to customize your store or even build it from the ground up, the Shopify App Store and our APIs make that easy to do. You can also buy a Shopify store through Exchange if you don't want to start from scratch. Whether you need to get a simple store up and running today or you want to go under the hood yourself and build a unique shopping experience, Shopify is built to be versatile and to grow with you. If you're still wondering what you actually get when you sign up for Shopify, keep reading. What is Shopify? Shopify is a complete commerce platform that lets you start, grow, and manage a business. The subscription-based software allows anyone to set up an online store and sell their products. Shopify store owners can also sell in physical locations using Shopify POS, our point-of-sale app and accompanying hardware. How does Shopify work? Shopify works by unifying all of your commerce into a single central command center. If you're a Shopify merchant with both an online and physical presence, your inventory and stock get synced so you can manage your stores from one account, on any device. With Shopify, merchants can build and customize an online store and sell in multiple places, including web, mobile, social media. Online marketplaces, brick-and-mortar locations, and pop-up shops. Shopify also has features to manage products, inventory, payments, and shipping. Shopify is completely cloud-based and hosted, which means you can access it from any connected compatible device and we'll handle software and server upgrades and maintenance for you. This gives you the flexibility to access and run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. On any given day, a business owner needs to showcase products, engage with customers, get paid, ship a product, and manage their day-to-day finances and operations. Some businesses use different tools to manage each of those activities, and spend a lot of time and money stitching the disparate systems and data together. Alternatively, a commerce platform groups those technologies together and becomes the base upon which other applications, processes, or technologies are developed. In other words, Shopify's commerce platform offers all of the business tools you'll need in one familiar place. And then we ensure that you can easily access and integrate any other business tools you want or need to make Shopify work for your business.